Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Kinecta Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kinecta.org/mortgage and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Kinecta Mortgage. Now click on the login button at the top left section and this will open up the login portal. Go ahead and type in your username that you have set up while creating your account within the username box and then type in your password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Kinecta Mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your password or your username, you can click on the forgot username or password option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Kinecta Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.